What up, tube? Welcome to our daily edition of our daily vlog for my barber life. Thank you for joining today. Today is Monday, my Friday. Crazy week this week. Got a lot of things going on. I'm only working till Friday. Saturday I'm off for the weekend, so a lot of things going on. I'll get back with you guys. There's a couple things I want to vent to you guys about. Yesterday, situation was horrible with my mom. I feel really bad. Messed up with her. Took her to a different swap meet. They threw us out of there. Talk about that. I got a guy that's quit yesterday's. Another situation. We'll talk about that, and we'll go from there, guys, and we'll just work it out. I'm here at the shop already, ready to open up. Late. A little slow right now, so I came out here to talk to you guys. So yesterday we went to the swap meet, went to the Pomona car swap meet, and what I did is I took my mom over there, took her out of her swap meet, which is here in Azusa, and took her to that swap meet to hopefully make more money, because next week we're going on vacation. We're going to Laughlin with my buddies and stuff like that, and I'm taking the whole family, taking my mom and my in-laws with me, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're leaving on Saturday, but so I decided to take her to this swap meet that hopefully she can make more money at, instead of staying at this swap meet, which she hasn't been doing too good at. And the whole the plan backfired on us. Apparently this swap meet's car related only, and the stuff my mom sells is not car related. So they basically walked us out, or they threw us out right in the middle of the day. We had to pack it up and just bail. I managed to stall them for a couple hours, and I sold some of my stuff that I had taken to sell, bobbleheads and the memorabilia stuff. So I sold about 440 bucks in a matter of 2 hours. So what I did is I just gave my mom half of my money, and she wasn't too upset. She knew that we tried, and it was worth a try, but it just didn't work out, you know. But it is what it is, and I know better for next time. Next time we won't try that again. We'll just stick to what we know we're good at. So that was yesterday's story. It was a disaster at that swap meet, and I mean, I managed to save a little bit by making a few sales, but it didn't work out too good. But it is what it is. I just wanted to share that story with you guys for today. The not so fun part. Adding in receipts. Once a month. Almost done. So we're right here at the end of the day today. Today is Monday again. Interesting day today. Myself, I had Randy working with me. J-Lo came in for a few hours. It was a good day. I lost a barber today. He quit on me. So as of now, I have an open chair right there, the corner chair. If anybody knows somebody or anybody's interested in coming to work for me, we are a very, very extremely busy shop. We charge $20 a haircut. Great opportunity for advancement here. We have nothing but walk-ins coming in here. We don't do appointments. So if you know anybody or if you're interested, shoot me a message, comment below, and we'll see about it. There's a great opportunity for a young barber right here. I mean, we have so many walk-ins, and it's a great shop to work at. I mean, so if anybody interested, let me know. So like I was telling you guys earlier, this weekend I'm going to Laughlin, Nevada on Saturday. So I'm going to be leaving the shop here. I'm going to leave it with my assistant barber, Alex. He'll be running the shop for me. He does an excellent job when I'm not here. So the only thing I'm worried about is I'm leaving Saturday, and Saturday I'm only leaving 4 barbers behind. So I mean, it is what it is. These guys are professionals. They can handle it. I hate leaving during the weekend, but it's kind of an important trip for our family. So we're gonna head out this weekend and make the best of it. But like I said, this Saturday is going to be we're going to be a little short-handed, so the guys will pick up the slack, and hopefully by then, I'll pick up another barber. We'll see what's up with that. This is all for all you youngster barbers out there. Guys, when your boss goes on vacation, it's time to step it up. It's not time to mess around. It's not time to miss work. It's not time to be late. It's time to step it up. You want your boss to appreciate you? Show up on time. You want boss to love you? You want your boss to talk great about you? Show up on time. And especially be there and cover for him when he's gone. If you do that, you do those things for your boss will appreciate you and always have your back. Okay, so keep that in mind, gentlemen. When your boss leaves for vacation or somewhere and he misses, then it's time to step it up and, you know, fill in those shoes for him. Don't miss, don't come in late, don't do all that other stuff that you guys tend to do. And yes, this is a message from my boys because I'm going away this weekend, so keep in mind, I expect all you guys to take care of business. Lates.